Welcome to our Bluetooth Low Energy, or BLE, training. This program is designed to take you from foundational concepts to advanced implementations, each step bringing you closer to mastering BLE's versatility and power. Let's dive in. Chapter 0. Introduction to BLE and its applications. Today, we'll start with an overview of BLE, what makes it uniquely suited for modern devices, from smart homes to health monitors. We'll examine some popular use cases and then set up our development environment in a hands-on lab, so you're ready to dive deep into BLE functionality. Chapter 1. BLE Connections. Here, we explore the BLE stack and understand the key roles within the Generic Access Profile, or GAP layer. Through different layers, we'll see how BLE connections are formed and maintained, examining GAP roles and layering principles. By the end of this chapter, we'll jump into a lab where you'll set up a BLE device role and connect it to another device. Chapter 2. Data Exchange. Moving into Data Exchange, we explore the Generic Attribute Profile, or GATT. We'll break down services, profiles, and characteristics, and ensure data integrity across L2CAP, connection-oriented channels. To wrap up, 2 labs will guide you in customizing BLE services and transferring data over L2CAP. Chapter 3. Firmware Updates. In this chapter, we focus on over-the-air firmware updates, a crucial feature for any modern IoT device. We'll explore TI's MCU bootloader and then perform a lab exercise to carry out an over-the-air firmware update, giving you hands-on experience with this essential process. Chapter 4. Security. BLE. Security is vital, and in this section, we go in-depth on BLE security modes and levels. We'll introduce cryptographic principles, ARM Trust Zone, and the Hardware Security Module, or HSM, used for secure key management and digital signatures. In the lab, we'll apply these concepts to secure BLE communication. Chapter 5. Localization. Finally, we turn to localization. You'll discover techniques like angle of arrival, AOA, and angle of departure, AOD, and learn about the latest in BLE-6.x channel sounding. In our last lab, you'll put channel sounding techniques to use, rounding out your BLE skill set. By the end of this training, you'll be equipped with the skills and experience to design, implement, and secure BLE solutions for a wide range of applications. Let's get started on this exciting journey.